Welcome friends, myself Dr. Kaushik Viswas. Today I am going to elaborate ASRB next examination on agriculture biotechnology subject. So ITLS will provide this course in very short time in the next session. So can get preparation from this course and you can easily crack this examination in the next time duration. So this particular subject in the NET examination has these 6 different sub-subjects: biochemistry, molecular biology and techniques, molecular plant breeding technology, molecular genetics, plant biotechnology, and plant genetic resources. All these 6 different sub-subjects are further governing under these 12 units, and as per your understanding, all the topics has been further grouped into different small topics, that is containing almost 44 different topics with 44 different short notes files in the coursework. So the duration for these courses is 8 months. You can easily avail, and what you will get from ITLS, you will get a complete sketch of this course. It is very difficult to randomly study and make a notes from different sources of books and notebooks. So you can get an easy way, one by one, chapter wise topics and its short notes, last 10 years memory based questions and related to their short notes on online account. And third one is very specific, video lecture illustration of each and every short notes. It will be given. And finally, for your mock test, you can easily avail online test series from where you can easily get set ready for your NET examination. What are the eligibility for this examination? You can easily sit to this exam if you have master degree in agriculture, biotechnology and other things. But related to any allied subjects, if you have, you can easily get this. Students and faculties from different sectors can easily join this course and get a benefits to crack this exam in a very short time. So ITLS will give 3 different ways. If you take this full package, it will include video lectures, study material and online test series with a summarized fee structure of 10,000. If you want to get only video lectures and test series, it is only 5,000. First 20 aspirants will get 20% discounts if you get registered for each and every courses. So friends, thank you, and in the next session I will tell you an elaborative syllabus of these subjects in the next. Thank you.